Okay, now Harry finished off and he said, look, that's 144 inches squared. All right, now, we've got to do a lot of math here, okay? Let's think about this. This is 54 inches squared for one of the small cubes. But we have how many of them, Reagan?
3.
No. How many of each of the types of cubes do we have, Pace?
1.
Nope. They told us in the problem. Let me scoot back up. You guys may not remember. How many of each type do I have?
24.
24. So how many square inches are there for 24 of these small ones? I need you to use your calculator. And Sarah, did you do 54 times 24? Would you do that for me? Because we have 24 of these 54s, and that'll tell us how many square inches we... 1,296 inches squared of the small type. What about of the middle type? That's going to be 90 times 24. Who has that one for me? Paris? 2,160 inches squared. Everybody agree with that one?
Yeah, I know the last one.
Good, good. And then, what about the last one for me, Maggie H? 3,000 what? 456 inches squared. Okay, now let's see. It says that we want to paint each type of block a different color. How many cans of paint will you need? Okay, so they all have to be a different color. Let's let this one be blue. But remember, it covers 10 square feet. How many square inches are in a square foot? How many square inches are in a square foot? Here's a square foot, right? How many square inches are in there? Paris?
12.
No. One side's 12 and the other side's 12. How many square inches are in there, Paris? 144 square inches, right? Okay. Now each can will cover 10 square feet. So how many square inches will each can cover? Reagan. Or for this one? 1,440, because I have 10 square feet. So 1,440 square inches. All right. Let's go back up here for a moment. And let's see what it says. How many cans of paint will we need? Well, will one can of paint cover this much? Well, wait a minute. It covers 1,440, right, square inches. Will it cover this much?
Yes.
Okay, so I need one can for the small ones. Okay? How many cans do I need for the medium size? How many do you think, Harry? 2, because it will cover 2,880, right? 1,440 times 2.
Yeah.
So and that'll be enough. 1 is not enough, is it?
No.
So I need 2 cans for this one. What about for the third size, the big size out here? I don't know. What do you think, CB?
The cheap one.
Wait, one can only covers 1,440.
Okay, 3.
I need 3 of them because 3 will give me this many. Let's see. 4,320, and that's enough to cover that. 2 is not. That's only 2,880. So I need 3 cans for the larger one. Now, it said, how many cans of paint will you need? Who can answer that question, Elise?
6.
Everybody answer it. 6 cans. 6 cans of paint. 1 for the small one, 2 for the medium, and 3 for the large one. All right? That was a long problem. But it was good. It was good. It dealt a lot with surface area. All right? Great job, guys. I think you're ready for your homework. Let me see if you have another problem back here. Nope, that's it. All right, get started.